guys. Now we will put together a puzzle with pictures of animals. Judging from the silhouette, this is an image of an octopus and several fish. Octopuses are aquatic animals that live in the sea with coral reefs as their main habitat. Place the part with the blue fish. Now striped fish. Octopuses have 8 arms with suckers in the form of concave dots on the arms, which are used to move on the sea floor and catch prey. This octopus is maroon in color. To differentiate it from squid, octopuses have heads that tend to be round, while squid are triangular or conical in shape.
Amazing!
Next is also a marine animal puzzle. This is the biggest animal in the world. His name is whale. Whales are a group of mammals that live in the ocean. Whales do not belong to the fish family. Because it has stripes down the body, it is a species of humpback whale. Let's complete this animal puzzle.
Amazing!
This is a horned animal that is usually farmed. There are also poultry in front of him. That's right, these are goat and duck. Goats are medium-sized four-legged mammals that are usually farmed. They usually raise goats to use their milk and meat, and also resell them if they have kept them since they were small. Let's move on to the ducks. Domestic ducks are several types of ducks that are usually kept or raised to obtain duck meat and eggs.
Excellent.